Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not forward from Kingmixup, it's not credible. And you already know what to do, my peeps. My dad yourself a telling the war going for not to go on, you see me? So, yeah, it's not a good look for dancehall artist Sauash. His rights is being violated right now by the prison warden. Yeah, you see me, I say. But before we get into that, let's just deal with, BLAMDEM's case. You see me? Even though we put out the facts that he's still in America, waiting to be deported, people still don't believe, You see me, I say, so that's why you probably see some headline, BLAMDEM get deported, because whoever put it out, people seem to find credible. As you can see, when I'm sender, can't believe the facts that I presented them, because one mix-up site put out that them link BLAMDEM in Jamaica. Them not have no blood clot link. Rumors them a run with. You see me, I say, because as of today, as you can see, BLAMDEM is still in ICE custody. He's no longer in BOP because they are transferring him around. You see me, I say, when he initially got held by Chrome, immigration, them to keep him at Chrome. You see me, I say, not Florida, Miami, but no, them ship him to Mississippi. You know what I mean? And that is the last stop. So probably the man them say, the feds, them or the agents come take BLAMDEM out of the cell or whatever they tell them forget them belongings and them never come. So the man them in the cell probably make the call outside and say, yo, them a dip BLAMDEM, because say the man them want him head up on all of these things on a platform. You feel me? Not knowing, say I transfer him and thing. But if you know anything or the thing go, Mississippi is the last place, before them deport you. You see me, I say, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. The people them say, if never this Nicki Minaj, she could have put in a good work to Uncle Danny, because the girl have the link with the White House and all of this stuff, But nevertheless, people, let's get to the situation with Sauash, because as you can see, him and BLAMDEM is actually housed next to each other, even though they're in the next neighboring state. BLAMDEM there, Mississippi, and Sauash there, Louisiana. No, hear the drama with Sauash. Him said the water violate him rights because I'm an immigrant. He pled guilty with the feds and a bag of things in the plea deal and Ray Tate. He said, I say, one of the things is him could I get out earlier than scheduled. But you have to take some classes and all of these things, because Trump said, non-violent acts or whatever foolishness. He said, I say, but the warden them and the prisoner official them nah, give no immigrants no chance to take them class. You see I say, and on top of that, not taking the classes so them can leave early when his time is up. They are not planning on letting him go. Yeah, one bagger and one, so he's taking them to court because they're saying that the warden doesn't have the right to deport him, and there's not even a final order for him to be deported. They have like a detainee hold on him, because once him come, mute his, sentence, when they finish him prison sentence with the feds, he might forget to deal with immigration court. But they're not going to give him the opportunity to do that. So that's why I'm saying, his rights is being violated and thing. And once, the higher ups, the higher court them or whatever, to let him go down the block, because, that's where he's at, Louisiana, wherever them ship out people out of Louisiana, he's right down from the prison where Sauash them. So, yeah, he's in a whole heap of thing, because if him get deported, a problem, You see me, I say, so, yeah, BLAMDEM, the same, I got unalive himself, but it doesn't seem to, it's working right now, because I'm going to dip him. So, what I think if the two of them get dipping? But I'm just giving them a quick update while I go on for not to go on. So, do the right thing and subscribe to King. You see me, I say, and turn on the notification bell to notify when I drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.